Hello everyone, I am your friend Wd Gann Trader. Today I am going to teach you all about different Gann strategies. I will be teaching a total of 3 strategies today. The first buying strategy using Gann Fan, second strategy using Gann Fan and trendline, and the third strategy using Gann Fan and Fibonacci. In the previous video, I explained to you about what is Gann theory. So before watching this, you should watch our previous video on Gann theory, that is how to draw and apply Gann angles and Gann fan. So without wasting much time, let's start. We'll start with Gann fan strategy. Take any chart. Example, we taken the chart of Nifty 50 index. Then find significant high point and significant low point. Our significant high point is here and our significant low point is here. Now go to the option of trend line tools and select the option of trend angle and draw a 45-degree angle line at the significant high point. Now go to the option of Gann and Fibonacci tools and select the option of Gann Fan and place it on the significant high point in such a way that 1 into 1 line overlays the 45-degree line. Now our Gann setup is ready. Our time frame here is of 1 day. We can also apply it at smaller time frames. Now wait for 1 into 1 line to break upward. After 1 into 1 line is broken, wait for the 2 into 1 line to break. Here we can see that our 2 into 1 line is broken. After 2 into 1 line is broken, we'll take entry in the stock. Again repeating, when 2 into 1 line is broken, then only we'll take entry in the stock. Now what about the stop loss? For stop loss, we will draw the Gann fan at significant low point. Let me delete this. We'll draw an 45-degree angle line at the significant low point. Then we'll choose the Gann fan and place it at the significant low point in such a way that 1 into 1 line overlays the 45-degree line. We'll place the stop loss below 2 into 1 line. Means if any candle breaks the 2 into 1 line and closes below the 2 into 1 line, then only we'll take the exit from the stock. It is a very simple strategy but also very effective. In this strategy, we can take any significant high and any significant low point. Now we know where to take entry and where to exit. After entering, if candle breaks the significant high point line, here we can see that our significant high point line is broken. Then we can trail our stop loss 3 to 5% below the significant high point line. Means we can put our stop loss 3 to 5% below, means this gap should be of 3 to 5%. In this way, this strategy works. Let us now look at some more examples of these strategies. Here we can see that Nifty is also forming the same pattern. Here is our significant high point and here is our significant low point. Let's apply our Gann fan strategy here. First we will make an 45 degree angle line at significant top. Then we'll apply the Gann fan at significant high point in such a way that 1 into 1 line overlays the 45-degree line. Now here we can see that the candle has broken the 2 into 1 line, which means that we can take our entry here. For stop loss, we'll apply the Gann fan strategy, Gann fan at significant low point. First we will make a 45-degree line. Then we will apply the Gann fan at significant low point in such a way that 1 into 1 line overlays the 45-degree line. Here is our 2 into 1 line. It means that if the candle closes below 2 into 1 line, then we will take our exit. Sometimes stop loss below 2 into 1 line is of very small. So we can also take the stop loss below the significant low point 2, which is here. So our second strategy is using Gann Fan and trendline. It is very similar to Gann Fan strategy. Here the only new parameter is trendline. So what is trendline? In simple words, trendline acts as support and resistance to the chart. It is found by connecting minimum 3 points on the chart. So firstly here we will draw a trend line. Now we will apply our Gann Fan strategy here. In this strategy, when trend line and Gann Fan angles are intersecting at some point, then that point acts as a strong support and resistance. Here in this case, we can see that after breaking, it is again retesting the support at this point where trend line and Gann Fan angles are intersecting. So this area acts as a very strong support. After breaking the trend line, it is again retesting and again started the rally. So we can say that this area will act as a strong support in this case. So our third strategy is using Gann Fan and Fibonacci. Comment if you don't know about Fibonacci. I will make a separate detailed video on Fibonacci. In simple terms, Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines that indicate possible location of support and resistance levels. Using Gann Fan with Fibonacci will help us to find strong resistance and strong support zones. Firstly, we will draw the Fibonacci from the significant high to significant low. We'll choose the option of Fibonacci retracement and we'll draw from significant high to significant low. Then we will draw the Gann Fan at significant low point which we have already done. The point where 61.8% line means this line intersects with 1 into 1 line means over this line, that area will act as strong support area. In this case here we can see that we would love to buy more from this area. This strategy of Fibonacci is more useful for sector analysis. In next video I will share more strategies like this. Like, subscribe and hit the bell button.